Today we're showing you a 2007 Case International JX80 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Case IH LX132 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 500 hours. We traded this tractor in from the original owner. Tractor has been stored inside. It's had excellent care. Tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. We did service the tractor. Tractor is ready to go. Paint's in excellent condition. Again, it's been stored inside. Skidsteer connection here for your quick attach bucket connection. 7-foot bucket, barely shows any wear at all. Work lights in front of the cab. Exhaust pipes out of the way for good visibility out of the cab. You do have a little bit of a scuff here. You can check the pictures, but it looks like this hood scrapes the loader bracket there slightly when it's down. You cannot hardly see it when the hood's down, but when the hood is raised, you can see that a little bit. It's got the Goodyear Radial tires front and back. They're in excellent condition. Toolbox here. 2 doors in the cab, 2 mirrors on the cab. It's got the work lights and warning lights in the back of the cab. Paint's in, again, excellent condition. Dual rear hydraulics, 540 PTO. Drawbar and top link are with the tractor. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars. Tractor has 72 horsepower. It is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Inside the cab, super clean in here as well. Full suspension seat here for the operator. Got all the manuals here to the left. Has tilt steering wheel. It's got the mechanical shuttle. To go from forward to reverse, you do have to clutch this, but it is synchronized, so you can do this while the tractor is rolling. Also have your PTO engagement and park brake here to the left of the seat. To the right, you've got your 2 main transmission sticks. You got 4 synchronized gears up front here, 3 ranges down below. Also have your loader control. You got your 3-point and hydraulic controls down here beside the seat as well. Light switches and wiper switches in the console. Up top, you've got the radio and your climate controls over here to the top left. Has a rear view mirror and sun visor in the cab. Very, very clean tractor. And again, it was a one-owner tractor, has had excellent care. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.